Hello everyone, my name is Hannah, and in this video I will be talking about what phylogenetic trees are and how they work. Phylogenetics is defined as the study of the relationships among and between species, individuals, or genes/alleles based on their characteristics. There are two different possible types of evolutionary changes that can be represented in these trees. Anagenesis occurs whenever there is evolution within a single lineage over time and is represented by the absence of branching. A specific example of this is the increasing length of a giraffe's neck over a long period of time. Colladogenesis occurs whenever one lineage splits into two and is represented when branching is present. This type of change allows for more diversity since a greater number of species exist at the same time. I have utilized different types of beverages to represent my phylogenetic tree. Each beverage represents an operational taxonomic unit, also known as an OTU. In the typical phylogenetic tree, OTUs are based on the differences in a species or virus's DNA sequence. The in-group for this tree are Coke products, and the out-group is Tropicana orange juice. The Tropicana orange juice is considered an outlier because it is the only beverage that is a Pepsi product. I have highlighted all of the internal nodes with different colors, each color representing the most recent common ancestor. The internal nodes of a phylogenetic tree represent a common ancestor of all other organisms within the area of the tree. In the top group, we have Coke, Cherry Coke, Fanta, and Mello Yellow. This group is represented as sugary soft drinks that are dark in color. Coke and Cherry Coke both have Coke in them, therefore they are related by a common ancestor, and this is represented by the pink dot. They are also the most closely related beverage since they have the shortest branch leaf in the tree. The Fanta and Mello Yellow are related in that they both are dark, but are separated from the Coke because they are also bright in color. The next group is sugary drinks that are clear in color. Sprite and Seagram's ginger ale fall into this category. These two beverages are less related than Coke and Cherry Coke, and we can see this by the length of the line that connects them with their common ancestor, the circle highlighted in yellow. Our next section is grouped by beverages that are sporty/healthier. These include Powerade and vitamin water. The only similarity they have with the beverages above is that they are Coke products. We can tell this by the internal node highlighted in lavender. Lastly, we have an outlier, the Tropicana orange juice, that is a Pepsi product. My tree is an example of colladogenesis because there are multiple new groups of beverages that diverge from one parent species, Coke. Phylogenetic trees can be rooted or unrooted. Rooted trees have a common ancestor, whereas unrooted trees do not. The outgroup, the earliest OTU to diverge, roots the trees such that all other OTUs share a common ancestor. In unrooted trees, we do not know the order of when certain OTUs diverged. This phylogenetic tree is rooted because there is an outgroup, and the lavender node represents a common ancestor of all other beverages in the tree.